We're gonna go right knee down on the ground, point that toe, here we go. We're gonna follow with our eyes, up control. What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to another Workout Wednesday. Today we've got a dumbbell only ab workout, and I want to explain to you why we're going to use a dumbbell. So typically when you're doing an ab workout, sometimes you'll just be in your living room, at the gym, wherever, without weight. But using weight is just going to increase that resistance, increase that load, just as if I was doing a bicep curl, right? I'm using weight to make my biceps bigger. So yes, it's gonna increase the resistance on your core. It's the same idea that you can create that more aesthetic look and the kind of blockier abs, but at the same time, if you use a super light weight, you're gonna build that muscular endurance and really shred up your core with that aesthetic that you're looking for. That being said, today we are gonna go through 11 moves, 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Choose a weight that's gonna be pretty easy. 30 seconds can feel like a really long time. I'm gonna be using a 25-pound dumbbell through these 11 movements. No repeats. We'll be jumping from side to side here and there. And if you love this workout, go ahead and give it a like. Comment what kind of workout you wanna see more of. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get my videos as soon as they come out, and let's get to it. And also, super random before we get going, I chose the most crazy color combinations today just for you. They're pretty cool. I get so many questions about these shorts. I'm not sponsored, but they are the Nike Free Wild Run Stride, something crazy, flex 5-inch short. I know I'm gonna get some questions on them. There you go. Let's have some fun. All right, my friends, here we go. Starting my watch. The first one we're gonna start with is an overhead sit-up. Here we go. Grab your dumbbell, both sides. Drive that butt down. We're sitting up and overhead. Make your head come through, all the way through for 30 seconds. It's okay if you need to use your couch at home, whatever, to keep your toes kind of tucked. We're just sitting up, driving that belly button down, pushing the shoulders up. Make sure the shoulder blades come all the way down with the movement. Rolling all the way up. Good squeeze. Need to check my time and rest. That's 30 seconds. I gotta get a freaking timer in this thing. Next objective, 15 seconds. Here we go. We're going to a dead bug. So we're gonna hold right here 90 degrees, opposite arm. Getting some contralateral work right here. Extend all the way down to about 6 inches, I was gonna say 90 degrees, but that was a mouthful. Going 30 seconds, here we go. And rest, good. Just getting it kind of burning. We're gonna go one time through here. And if you feel like it's not enough, go ahead and get a second round in there. For the next one, switch arms. Here we go, 30 seconds, holding that core. Keeping it on the same leg. Think about driving your belly button down, keeping those shoulder blades just off the floor, one side at 90 degrees, and the other extending, coming back up, crunching those lower abs. Here we go, 8 seconds. And rest, 15 seconds. Going to the third exercise, technically the fourth one. We're going in and out. So we're gonna place that dumbbell right here. I'm gonna do it over here so you can see it. Here we go, 15 seconds. Lean back, keep your palms back behind you. You're just going in and out, alternating sides with that dumbbell. If you want to get a little turn in there, that's good. Pointing it, feeling the torque, the contraction through your belly button, all the way through with this 30 seconds. And rest. Whew, 15 seconds rest, here we go. Next one is gonna be a right side elevated extension. So we're gonna take the dumbbell. We're gonna be kind of in a high plank position. Here we go. Holding right here. And we're just gonna hold opposite hands. Oh, and extend. Just kidding, that's not exactly how I planned it. We're gonna be opposite. Just that rear-sided extension. Gotta work the core from both sides. So we're getting a little bit of lower back action in here too. Keeping the shoulders over the hands. See where I'm at here. We're gonna go for an extra 10 seconds because I got a slow start on there. And rest. Gonna alternate this one. Whew. Should feel a good little pump through your glutes there too. Nothing wrong with that. Nice little juicy booty pump. And here we go. Opposite leg. 30 seconds. Think about keeping those buttocks squeezed as you come down, keeping the toe flexed. You're gonna feel a little bit through your obliques, hip flexors, all the way. Let me check the time. 3, 2, and rest. Oh yeah, hip flexors into the obliques. We're cruising. Elevated extension, elevated extension. Next one's gonna be a up and over hollow hold. This one's fun. Same position with the in and outs hold. Here we go, up and over the head. Just control. If you need to go slower, that's okay. Try to keep those heels off the ground. Obliques getting some action here, shoulders, and that's okay. Come on, here we go, and rest. I think we were a little bit over on that one. That's okay though, 15 seconds. Now we're going up and over leg lifts. So same idea with the in and outs again. We're gonna have the dumbbell out there. Here we go, and here we go. Palms behind us, up and over. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way. Whatever you gotta do, trying to keep your body in the air, keep those legs going, keep the momentum all the way through. I'm breaking the sweat, it feels good. And rest. Again, need a freaking timer because this thing is not working all that organized for ya boy. Up and over leg lifts. Now we're going into a half kneeling chop, right side. Whew. So we're gonna go right knee down on the ground. Point that toe, here we go. We're gonna follow with our eyes. Up, control. 2, 3, coming down to the hip pocket. I'm gonna up and over that shoulder. Notice my back toe is still pointed because we're trying to engage that glute as well. And rest. Whew. 15 seconds. Breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Here we go. Opposite leg, or opposite side, excuse me. And let's do it. Half kneeling position. One of the greatest positions for core work. Really isolating one side. Those love handles. Obliques. Rotational strength. Little thoracic spine in there. And rest. We are motoring through this. 5 minutes worth of an ab. torch. And we're already on our last one. So here we go. Be a high plank right here. We're gonna pull through. Here we go with the opposite arm. Pull to that opposite side of your mat if you can. Just alternating. Try to keep those legs, hips square to the ground. Really pulling, getting a little bit of rear delt action in here, as well as the core. Anti-rotation. There goes my mat. I'm gonna let it go. Knock it out of the way, because why not? And I think that, why not? We're going 5 more seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew. 5 minutes. Dunzo. Bonunzo. And that is gonna just about do it for us, my friends. That was just 1 round through. Should have specified this at the beginning, but normally I would do that 2 to 3 times through to get a complete core burn. That's just a quick 5-minute 1-time through. If you're a beginner, great. That's a great one for you to start incorporating weight. If you're a little bit more advanced, you wanna incorporate it into maybe an at-home HIIT workout, something to really isolate the core. Try doing that for 2 times through, maybe 3 times through, following it strict with that 30 seconds, setting a timer, 15 seconds off. The 2 to 1 work to rest ratio is really gonna be your best friend, especially when it comes to burning fat and building muscular endurance. So if you love that workout, also, I have these workouts on my app at www.nickwalkerfitness.app. HIIT workouts, programs, at-home programs, whatever you want, they're all there. If you like this video, give it a like. Like I said, comment what you want to see more of, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get my notifications. I will see you tomorrow for a Thursday podcast. Have an awesome freaking day, and don't forget to smile.